Welcome, student. Uh, Today we are going to saw or start a new lesson. Here we are going to start the new lesson. Dis- Write your own story. Write your own story. Okay. The title itself tells us that you have to write down a imaginative story which you imagine. Okay, so here uh, you will experience that your teacher you will also given this type of activity. Okay, so here to write down a story uh, in these lessons are said that you have to form a group of five children. Here are the five childrens. Okay, one, two, three, four, and five. Okay, uh, the things that or the responsibility uh, were given to these fives are uh, one student has a responsibility to build up a character. Second, that girl is given to write down the characteristics of the persons in the stories. And third, girl has given to manufacture or build up a story type. And fourth, student given the period to make the period of the time. And last one has given to include the different places. Okay, so here uh, we have to form a group of five students. Look at the chart given on the page number 4041. So we have to follow the chart of the given which is given on the page number 41. Each person in the group is given only one column to choose from. So in the five group, each person has to choose only one column. From column a person chooses any five characters. Column B has of another persons can choose any five characters and characteristics or qualities from these characters for these characters. So B column gives us to choose opportunity to choose the different characteristics for the different characters of the story. And the column number C, D, and E, the three remaining children choose the story type, the period, one setting, the respectively. So here we are going to write down a story and given a different type of responsibility to the different student. Okay, one has to one has to choose characters of the story. Second has to choose the characteristics of that each chosen persons of the story. And from the other C, D, E column, the children has to choose choose the story type, period and setting respectively. Okay, the condition is that the every person chooses separately without telling consulting the others. So here is a funny thing that we have to do, that the making of choice of each student, it should be uh, hide out from other student. Okay, after everyone has chosen, you put all the elements together and build a story. Play with it, so after chosen all the characters uh, from the given columns, given table or a given columns, after that we have to put all those things in front of all, and build build a story, and uh, make a fun with that story. It must have a beginning, some events and end. So here that story must have a starting event and ending event. You may choose other supporting characters and move from one setting and time period to another if necessary, but you must use what you choose first. So here you have to make a fun or choose the supporting characters of in the story also. If it is necessary, you must use what you choose first, but there uh, you doesn't have a choice of choosing again. If you choose the first character, then you have to use that character in the story. Okay, there is no second options for you. So this story becomes a very fun. Okay, so first is the characters A, uh, B is a characteristics, C are a story type, D is a uh, time and places. Okay, so here while we are going to make the stories, here are the columns, and from columns we have to choose a character and characteristics uh, of that story. So here are the pictures of a queen, dog, sun, okay, flowers. In the first column we have in the first column we have the different types of characters like magician, dog, schoolgirl, scientist, schoolboy, superhero, mouse, robot, thief, detective, soldier. There are many characters. Okay, and here are the characteristics: brave, coward, wicked, sly, honest, cunning, bullying, selfish, scholar, and strong. Look at this picture. The pupils were joined because of imaginative kingdom. They write down in their choice. Okay. Do you have these elements in your stories? Good descriptions. You will need adjectives. Here are the adjectives. Okay, wicked, sly, kind, honest, all these are adjective. Event and actions. So here are the three, that the story type, time, different type of there are times when the dinosaurs lived on the earth, means the ancient type of stories, ancient fairy tales, ancient, ancient fairy tales. Look at the pictures, different type of pictures and characters. The magician, dog, scientist, schoolboy, mouse, thief, elf, merchant, pilot. Okay. So here are different characters, okay, and characteristics. Characteristics are generally from adjectives, okay. Grammatically it belongs to the adjective group. Good. Do you have these elements in your story? So students, you have to make a story with the using these elements, okay. At least one story of each children, okay. Each one of you have to make a story. The dialogues and the conversations, also monologues if you like, some surprise for the reader. So there are some characters, like in the time of the caveman, once upon a time, 1500 years ago, 20 years ago, now. So now a story, it is a period, okay. And the places uh, in that story are your city, village, our your where you lived, another planets, on the another planets, and fairy land, in the desert, in the forest, in the hill, in a hilltop, hill fort, on an island, in a big city, in space, in the small kingdom. So here are places also given, but you have to use these points and make a fairy tale or one imaginative story. This is your homework now. This is your homework, student, that you have to use the characters, story type, time, and places from these points given which are given you, and make a story. Make a story. This is your homework, okay.